Not all Jamaicans live in shacks, and that false narrative ends today. To the newscaster who said Jamaica would be flattened because people live in shacks, you need to do your research before speaking about an entire nation. My mother is Jamaican. My foreparents are Jamaican. I've been there many times, and I've seen the truth you ignored. Jamaica is not a land of weakness. It's a land of builders, creators, and resilient people. Most Jamaicans live in solid brick and concrete homes, beautifully designed, tiled, decorated, and in many cases, topped with concrete roofs. Let's get the facts straight. Jamaica was one of the first places in the world to have electricity. Yes, before parts of the United States. In 1893, the town of Black River in St. Elizabeth lit up the night with electric power. So when you speak of Jamaica, speak with respect. We are inventors. Our ancestors were navigators and sailors, people of great civilization who carried wisdom across the seas. So before you speak on us, do your due diligence. Even tourists travel to Jamaica for our food, our culture, our beaches, and our hospitality. They come for the experience of paradise, and even in our inner cities, what might look simple on the outside is often filled with love, pride, and beauty inside. Step into a Jamaican home, and you'll see grace, not shame. Don't confuse humility with poverty. Don't confuse simplicity with struggle. Jamaica is strength. Jamaica is culture. Jamaica is civilization reborn. So before you pass judgment on the land of my mother and my ancestors, do your research, because Jamaica is not to be disrespected.